Everybody, how we doing today? Got the coffee. Just gonna be showing you real quick how to modify an account. So what happened recently is we actually just built a website, and the guy flipped out at the end. It's a really nice website. It's got all these landing pages. It's got all these service pages. So what I'm gonna do is I actually just purchased a domain. I'm gonna go to we're gonna go to our WHM, log in, and actually we'll go to list accounts because I just want to show you where the current website is. So it was built out here on this Miami or webconsultingmiami.com. And what I'm actually going to do is change it to a new URL that I purchased, which is Locksmiths Near Me. So we'll go to modify, and this is the easiest way to move an account, granted that you don't need the old one anymore. So we're going to modify an account. We'll go over here to Web Consulting Miami, which is right here, and just making sure I got the right one, Web Consulting Miami, and we're just going to go to modify, and this is some of the standard WHM information for the account. So we're going to modify, and what we're going to do is just change this primary domain to the new one. So go to Locksmiths Inc. We can change this stuff too, but what I'm going to do is leave it all for now, and once the account's been created, I can always go back into that cPanel or through the WHM and create it. So what I'm going to do is go to modify, and what this has done now is taken that old account and basically modified it into this new account, which is going to be locksmith.com. So if I go back now, first of all, this should be saved. So it's been up here, and this just says, so let's go to list accounts and we'll be able to see it as here, Locksmiths Near Me. So basically, guys, that's how you modify an account. It's all been created now. Let's see if it's all moved over. And you might have to go in and update a few. See, this might still be updating, but you can see it's been moved. This might still be directing. So basically, it's been moved. You can go here and start to modify it, and then through the cPanel. So say you want to change the username to something. But remember, you might have to go into the configuration files and update that as well. But guys, that's how you modify an account. Stay tuned. We'll have more videos coming soon. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out with a like or subscribe in the bottom. That stuff helps. And we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.